Hi friends, welcome to Laxmiss 31. I'm Sai Lakshmi. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about bar and bar chart in Tableau to compare dimensions. In my previous video, I have discussed about bar and bar chart in Tableau to compare measures. So we have lot of charts available to compare measures as well as dimensions. We even have a dual access to compare measures together, but bar and bar chart helps us to compare dimensions as well at the same time within a single chart. So that's where bar and bar chart comes into picture. Bar and bar chart is an advanced chart in Tableau which helps the user to compare two or more measures or two or more values in a dimension at the same time within a single axis. We have two use cases of bar and bar chart in Tableau. One is if we want to compare two measures, say profit and sales, we can create bar and bar chart in Tableau. So to compare two or more measures, I have already explained and created a detailed video on how to use bar and bar chart to compare two measures. I'll provide the link below. And at the same time, today we are going to discuss about how to compare two dimensions or the values related to a particular dimension using bar and bar chart in Tableau. Let's get started. Let me open Tableau public application and show you how a bar and bar chart looks like when we are comparing two dimensions. So this is a view I have created to show you how a bar and bar chart looks like while we are comparing two dimensions or some values related to a dimension. So in my previous video also I have displayed this particular chart and I have told that I will explain the same in my upcoming video. That's why I've started explaining this today. So here I've taken a region. This is one dimension and subcategory is another dimension. And we are comparing these two dimensions and a measure called sales. So here we are comparing two dimensions with the metric sales. So let me recreate it in front of you so that you can understand how to create bar in bar chart easily. So I'm clicking on new worksheet option. I have taken sample superstore data. Now I'm going to take a dimension region first and bringing the region to column shelf. Now I'm going to bring a measure sales and I have brought it to row shelf and a simple bar chart has been created. Let me rename the sheet to bar in bar chart in Tableau hyphen comparison of two dimensions and its values. I am formatting the title and changing it to Tableau semi-bold and clicking on OK. Now I'm going to bring subcategory. So we have a single dimension and a single measure over here. Now we are trying to compare more than one dimension. That's why I'm going to bring secondary dimension. So now we can bring it directly or else we can bring subcategory to filter shelf and we can select all of them together or we can just select four values of it. For example, we have lot of charts available to compare dimensions. I mean, more than one dimension and more than a single measure to compare it easily. But bar chart speciality is that we will be able to compare the values in each dimension along with the another dimension. For example, I am going to select first four values of subcategory and compare these four values only against region. So I'm going to select OK. and I've selected OK. Now I'm going to bring subcategory in color, and we have a stacked bar chart plotted over here. Now, um, this is the second step. Like before creating a bar in bar chart, so the second step involves is we need to create a side by side bar chart first. Like once we plot the bar chart and then it has to be a stacked bar chart, then we need to off the stack marks over here. So that's why I'm going to analysis tab and clicking on stack marks and clicking on off. Now that we have done this, I'm going to bring subcategory again to size. Now we have plotted bar in bar chart in Tableau. I am adjusting the size of it and fitting it to entire view so that the bar in bar chart is visible clearly. Now we have plotted bar in bar chart in Tableau, and we are comparing subcategory and region together along with the measure sales. So now this is called a bar, and there are three more bars inside of a bar. So that is why we call it bar in bar chart in Tableau. And if I remove this, if I edit this filter and limit it to only three values, we will be able to see only two bars inside of it. So this is a bar, and there is one more bar inside of it. This is an external bar and there are two bars inside of it. So this is one more thing. So I am going to edit it and select one more value. Now it will change again. So now this is a bar in bar chart in Tableau, and we are comparing subcategory, region by category, and we are able to see their sales as well. So in central we have accessories, and their sales is 33,956, and in east appliances have a sales of 34,188. Likewise, we are able to see multiple values over here, depends on the values we are selecting in the filter shelf. This is how we can use bar in bar chart in Tableau to compare two dimensions and the values within a particular dimension along with a measure and another dimension.
Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.